welcome back. This is your diva on duty, and like always, first things first. So, if you're watching this video on Instagram, please go back to my YouTube channel and subscribe and hit that bell notification button. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then please go back to Instagram and follow me there also. So, today's video is all about hair color. Yeah. So I recently posted a story on my Instagram that which color should I dye my hair, and there were two options, red and brown, of course. So yeah, there were like mixed reactions and mixed answers. Like, the poll was very unusual. Sometimes the red got more votes and sometimes the brown got more votes. So I was really very much confused, but I'm very smart, yes. So I got out with a solution, which is, I'll show you what solution I have. So the solution is this Revlon. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, this Revlon is my solution because the shade is medium reddish brown. So it has like both the shades, red also and brown also. So as you can see now, my hair is not colored. This is my natural hair color, and yeah, so we are going to color our hair. And before coloring our hair, it's very important to read the instructions that they have. Yeah, so actually it says that it is a 3D color gel technology, which actually just means that after coloring your hair will look more glossy and it will look shiny. And it also assures you that the color is really permanent and will stay for a longer period. Okay, so yeah, one thing more, that before coloring your hair, if you are coloring for the first time, then please do a skin test, which is very simple. Just take a patch test here, put some color here, and wait for 20 minutes. See if you have any irritation or itchiness or anything such. If you have, then please do not color your hair. No, it will be really harmful. And if you're okay, then please go ahead and color your hair with whatever color you like. So yeah, I have been talking rubbish, so now just let's get started. I'll start by mixing the color and you guys can see it. So guys, we are about to start, and the steps are actually pretty simple. So first thing, we have to wear these gloves. So I'll quickly wear it. Now I've worn my gloves. So in this packet what things comes. So this is the actual color ingredient, and this is the developer, and this is the conditioner that we have to use after coloring our hair. And we also got this free face wash along with the box, which is pretty great because I love free stuff, and I'm sure almost every Indian loves free stuff. Okay, so yeah, here are the things, and of course these gloves also came with the packet. So this small packet actually contains a lot of things. So yeah, we are about to start, and since my length is pretty long, so I'll mix the complete hair color and the complete developer. Okay, so you can mix it according to your hair length. Simple. Let's keep this aside. Now we are going to open the developer, and it's open. Now we'll completely empty this also, of course, in the same bowl along with the color, along with this reddish color. So yeah, we'll add this completely completely. We have spent so much, so we cannot just leave even a drop of it. So yeah, complete. It's empty now, I hope so. Yeah, it's empty. So the trick is we have to mix this solution till this changes the color, okay? So we'll just mix it with the spoon till it changes the color. Keep mixing it. Have some patience. So guys, now after mixing it for like 3 to 4 minutes, it has finally changed color. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but it's like some chocolate color. Yeah. Earlier it was red. So we have prepared the solution. So guys, now that the solution is prepared, we are using this brush and this comb to color my hair. So yeah, what we have to do is just cover ourselves with a towel first. So just we don't create a mess of ourselves. So yeah, now yeah, so I have covered myself. Well, it doesn't matter, this dress is old, so it's okay. Even if I color the dress too, it's okay. So yeah, we have divided our hair in 2 sections. Yeah, and it's pretty simple now. You just have to dip your brush in the color, take a little bit of amount, and then start coloring. Okay, I hope it turns out good. Yeah, so this is the process, and I'll just completely cover my hair with all this color. Well, I'm in doubt. I don't know if this much amount of color is sufficient for my hair or not, but let me see. Let me just quickly cover my hair with this and I'll let you know. Okay, so guys, this is what I look after complete application of the color. And as I was worried that this box is actually not sufficient for my hair, and that only happened. It was a complete struggle for me to just apply that small quantity of hair color on my complete hair, but somehow I did it. So yeah, if you guys have a little bit long hair like me, so I guess you will have to take 2 packets of the Revlon hair color. So yeah, that's it. I'll keep it like this for at least 45 minutes and then I'll wash it, and I'll wash it only with water and no shampoo. Just that after conditioner that they have given me, I'll wash it only with that. So let's see how it turns out. I'm a little nervous too, so let's see. So guys, this is the final look, and I know you guys won't be that flattered because honestly I'm pretty disappointed too. The color claimed to be a reddish brown, and neither I can see red nor I can see brown. It kind of matches my natural hair color. So yeah, and if I'm investing a certain amount of hair color, then obviously I would want it to be little visible, but it's not now. That's how it turned out. Now I can't help it, but let me tell you, it somehow works on my favor because being a flight attendant, I can't wear hair color which kind of pops out and is easily visible, like bright red, champagne red, or colors like golden brown. I can't wear colors like that. So yeah, it kind of works on my favor. But if you guys, boys or girls, are you want to apply these colors, so obviously you would want it to be visible, and I won't recommend this brand for coloring then. So if I had to rate this, I would rate it 3.5 on 5. I'm giving that 0.5 extra marks only because I kind of feel like it's my fault. I should have taken 2 packets of hair color and I took one, and maybe that's the reason that the hair color is not that visible. So yeah, I have given that 0.5 extra rating for that, and I have deducted those ratings for the quantity. I felt the quantity was really less, so yeah, for that, and of course because I can't see the desired result. So yeah, these are the 2 points on which I have deducted the rating, and the reasons for those 3.5 rating is the quality. It claimed to have a 3D gel technology, as I mentioned before also, and I which meant that your hair will look glossy and shiny after the hair color, and I kind of feel like it works. Yeah, my hair is not at all damaged, and it's glossy, it's shiny, it's smooth. So yeah, I didn't feel like the color damaged my hair at all, but we'll see that with time. So yeah, that's from my side. It will be 3.5 on 5. Let me know how you guys feel. I already know how you guys feel actually. Very disappointed if I'm right. But yeah, we'll try it next time. Again, when I have a holiday and I won't have to be scared of my hairline. So yeah, that time. And I will be signing off now. You guys have a great day, great time ahead, and you will see me next time soon. And bye bye, take care.